Hey everybody, Pops here, man. I want to say thank you again to you, the viewers, and I'm going to give you a lot more content. There's more coming, man. I got a lot more to do on the ride here. We'll talk about that a little later on anyway. I want to give you a little bit more on the bracket I'm building to fix that frame rail. Okay, it's right in here. We're ready to go. I got to do a little more welding. It's taking the shape of the inside of the frame rail. This will back up. My forcing screw goes through to the outside with another plate on the outside to sandwich everything together and straighten out that woohoo in the frame rail right there. So with that being said, let's get to some welding, man. Blow some gas and burn some wire. Just like that. Now I got a test fit in frame rail there. Maybe a few little adjustments, but it's all good, man. Stay tuned, we got more for you. Thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.